All right, everyone, shower time. Except today, it's not about relaxation, it's about renovation. We're tackling a two-handle shower that's seen better days. The customer wanted a rebuild, not an upgrade. Now, let's be honest, folks. This is the plumbing equivalent of clinging to a flip phone in the age of smartphones. But hey, who am I to judge? Besides, the last time I argued with a client about upgrades, they chased me out with a wrench that definitely wasn't on the approved tool list. Let's just say I learned the hard way that some battles are best left unfought. Now, before you ask, yes, I did manage to escape the wrench-wielding client unscathed. Although, there was that one time, cue dramatic music, when a roommate flushed the toilet during a shower, causing me to shriek like a banshee on helium. Let's just say that wasn't my proudest moment. Anyway, back to this shower. We're dealing with a Fixture cartridge, a brand that's about as reliable as a politician's promise. No offense to any politicians out there, but seriously, where was that flying car they promised us in 2020? The good news is, you can find these cartridges at most hardware stores. The bad news? The oval trim piece was on back order for 2 months. Apparently, oval is the new, well, not the new anything. It's the forgotten stepchild of shower shapes. So, with a heavy heart and a slightly bruised ego from the wrench incident, I had to put the old trim back on. There you have it, folks. A successfully rebuilt but slightly outdated two-handle shower. Remember, subscribing isn't just good for the channel. It's good for your karma. You wouldn't want to be the reason someone screams like a startled cat in the shower, would you?